Now, we all know Lindt chocolate is delicious as is, but Thomas is going to show us how we can take it to the next level by using just a couple of standard staple ingredients that we all have in our pantry.
Absolutely. Look, we're going to do some palmiers dipped in tempered Lindt excellence.
Oh, very nice.
And then, of course, for a bit of contrast and colour and flavour, some bit of pistachio on top of there as well. But as you said, you can do this with any sort of staple that you have at home. So melted tempered chocolate is really just melt this until about half or 3/4 of the chocolate is melted. Then don't heat it anymore and just stir it until all the chocolate is melted and your chocolate is basically tempered.
Why do we temper our chocolate? Why would I do this at home as opposed to just melting it the standard way?
That's a really good question. Because our chocolate is pure chocolate, so there's only cacao butter in there, and all cacao butter needs that temperature curve to actually set again.
Right.
So we temper the chocolate that it has that beautiful gloss once it sets, and also that firm snap when you have the chocolate. So it's a little bit tricky to do a couple of times, but I think we've done it on the show before as well, so you'll find where to do it.
And I really like the way that you simply describe how to temper the chocolate, particularly for beginners. If you take the chocolate to a certain stage and just let it slowly melt into itself, then you're on the right track.
Yeah, that's correct. The chocolate is perfectly tempered in the pack. So if you melt only about half of that, the rest of that tempered chocolate will temper everything else in the bowl. So that's the trick to it.
All right, well, let's make a few more of these, allow them to set, and then you have the perfect little snack there, palmiers with chocolate and pistachio.